So, are you ready to go and explore Berat?
Yes.
After being so overwhelmed of the beauty of Škoda, we made our way down south to Berat. We headed up some small bumpy roads and finally made it to the beautiful Cala. Alright, so we just arrived at guest house Chris in Berat Castle. We're actually staying within the walls of the castle. This is really unique in Europe that you can actually sleep inside the castle, and there's still a kind of a city with bars and restaurants inside the walls. And they call it the Cala. And now, first off, we're going to the center of Berat, the old center, to explore a little bit there. So when you walk down from the castle, about 10 minutes, you arrive at Mangalem, and you can see here behind me the beautiful white houses, especially during the night. It's very beautiful, I hear. And they call it the city of the 1000 windows. So we're standing on the bridge over the Osumi River, and on one side you can see the Muslim side, and on the other side is the Christian side. Right now we're on the side, the Christian side, also called GORICA. The old neighborhoods Mangalem and GORICA are located on each side of the Osumi River. On the north side, traditionally Muslim Mangalem, and on the south side, Christian GORICA. Ancient white stone houses with terracotta tiles and timber doors can be found in both districts.
lamb ribs, potatoes, fried potatoes, and sausage. I think it's a Kosovo sausage and Albania one. And this one is a traditional plate from here.
With what?
Cheese, I think.
Cheese, peppers, and tomatoes, I think.
No idea. I want to try.
Try it.
It's the same that the one I tried in Scotland.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this was it for our first day in Berat. We're heading back to the castle now because our hotel is there. We had a delicious dinner. We walked around on both sides of the Osumo River. And see you tomorrow. Welcome to another day in Berat. We're actually staying already for a few days here in the castle, in guest house Chris actually is the name. I will leave the details below. And after staying a few days, we didn't even explore the Kala yet. So that's what we're going to check out now. And the castle here is actually quite unique because there are still houses and people living here inside the castle walls. The Kala of Berat is a fortress that was originally built in 300, but the wall and the towers as they are now were built in the 1200s. Until today there are still homes and local businesses within the castle's wall. This was it for the Berat video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out my other videos about Albania and subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and see you in the next one.